Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to remove your Gmail account from unwanted website. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are foreign new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on here. But the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you go to Google. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on your Google account. Next thing you need to do is to click on Google account right here. And the next thing you need to do is to swipe this way. Then go to security. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down. And then make sure you click on see all connections. So here we go. You will have, as you will see, all the apps that or website that is have access into your Gmail account. Next thing you need to do is to simply select any one of them you would like to remove. So I'm going to remove this one right here. Click on it. And it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on delete all connection you have with this particular website. And the next thing you need to do is to click on confirm. You are no longer connected to similarweb.com. You can connect to SimilarWeb again simply at any time. Simply click on close right here. And it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to remove your Gmail account from unwanted website. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.